Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order cheap home appliances on Home Depot for Black Friday. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is simply head over to your app store and simply download the Home Depot app as well. And then if you don't have the app, you can also go to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in Home Depot. Then once the search will load, simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once you're inside, all you gotta do is log into your account, then use the appliances section and filter by Black Friday deals. By using Black Friday deals, this focuses on the markdown appliances. Also filter by delivery option, free to 1 to 2 delivery day or next day if you need fast shipping. The next is to take advantage of buy more save more bundle discounts. Home Depot Black Friday deal often includes bundle discounts. The more eligible appliances you buy, the more you save. Then next is to use financing or credit options. On large appliances, Home Depot often offers 12-month financing for qualifying purchases. Redditors note that this is a part of their Black Friday appliance offers, and if you don't have the cash up front, this can help spread out the cost. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.